Are you ready to begin your UPSC journey in Bengaluru with a course that teaches you how to prepare, not just what to study? If yes, it's time to replace scattered effort with structured preparation. Starting 19th January at 8 am, the GS Foundation course at VisionIAS Bengaluru provides the clarity, structure, and direction aspirants need to prepare in an integrated manner for prelims, mains, and the interview. You begin with building a strong foundation, understanding what to study, what to skip, and how to approach the syllabus with logic and purpose. Your preparation focuses on accuracy, speed, and effective question-solving techniques, setting the stage for success in prelims. As the course progresses, attention shifts to mains, where you learn analytical thinking, answer structuring, and effective presentation. Special emphasis is placed on GS papers, ethics, and essay, with answer writing developed as a skill through guided practice and examples. To ensure you are fully ready for the final stage, the course includes a personality development program for the interview, helping you build confidence, articulation, and presence before the board. Guided by expert faculty from Delhi, supported with tech-enabled classrooms, structured mentoring, and continuous assessment, this course helps you align your UPSC journey, making it coherent and result-oriented. To register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.